campaigns, no, wherein if you are active users, you can get Bloom drops just like dogs recently. I guess so today pag-uusapan lang natin itong si Bloom. Isa ito sa promising project dito kay Telegram in my own opinion. So pag-uusapan din natin dito yung potential airdrop niya. As of now, andito yung user interface na kahit yung cellphone yung gamit nyo, you can access dito guys, no. So other features dito, mga developments nila, upcoming features nila which is the meme pad. Discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero before tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. Recently, meron tayong mga shinare dito na airdrops, no. And nagkaroon na ito ng listing kagaya ni Natcoin, ni Dogs, and potentially itong si Bloom. Isa sa tinitingnan ko na malaki yung probability na magkakaroon ng airdrop dito. Again, it's only a probability guys as per checking dito sa platform sa project na ito. Experienced teams na din yung mga dito. They are very active for the past couple of months. Ang daming mga free crypto dito guys, no? Especially dito sa Telegram, mga tap to earn. Pero itong si Bloom guys, I can see a unique features dito sa project na ito. Just like using your cell phone, imagine na you can just access doon sa different chains, no, as we observe dito. 30 plus chains ang available dito kay Bloom, and you can easily access doon sa mga classic tokens just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Atom, Tron, etc. As well as yung mga meme coins, yung mga hot and fresh tokens, yung mga trending tokens, L1 and L2 tokens, mga layer 1 and layer 2 tokens kasama mga Ethereum, Solana, etc. no. And they have that feature sa kanilang application as of now. Yung isa sa mga inaabangan ko rin dito is yung meme pad, no. Just like Launchpad, but it's permissionless, no filterization. Anyone can launch their projects or tokens. Meron din sila ditong mga nilabas na campaigns, no, wherein if you are active users, you can get Bloom drops just like Dogs recently for those who active playing their mini app right now. So gamit yung cellphone ninyo, you can access itong si Bloom, no. So yung official link naman na ito, lalagay ko sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. You can explore this, it's totally free. And as we observe nga dito, maganda din yung pinaka-user interface niya. I discussed na rin ito nung mga previous video natin. So, yun yung isa sa mga na-observe ko dito guys. Yung kanilang user interface as well as the team. It's very active and experienced in crypto space. So, you can access itong si Bloom guys, no. And we'll see the potential airdrop, other updates dito. I'll keep you posted na lang sa ating YouTube channel about this project guys, no. So, yun lang for today. Hope this video helps. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.